So, good day, Lions Pride family. Tonight, we gather not just as friends, but as one big family, united in love, joy, and celebration. This is a very special occasion because we are honoring not just one, but four amazing pillars of our Pride family. Our beloved founder JM, Head Admiral Jules, Vice Captain Ming Wonju, and our very own Iceman. Asan si Iceman? Okay, each of them has played a unique role in making our family stronger, happier, and more united. Their dedication, leadership, and presence are truly gifts to us all. And today, it's our turn to give back, to shower them with our gratitude, love, and of course, our loudest cheers as we celebrate their birthdays. So let's open our hearts, bring out our best smiles, and make this day truly unforgettable for our celebrants. Once again, welcome everyone to this special celebration of life, love, and family. May I call on UG, our head secretary, for the opening prayer.
Uy, alam niyo na magdasal. Dasal tayo.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Happy birthday sa may mga birthday. Special to kay JM.
Ay, nandito na si ate, Ay, ate, good evening.
Good evening, everyone. So, pray muna before start. Thank you for this gathering and the joy of this celebration. We are grateful for everyone here today. Bless this time together. Fill our hearts with joy and may all that we do bring honor to you. Amen.
Amen.
Tapos na ba?
Walang signal. Nag-repeat.
Okay na ba tayo?
Opo.
Wait lang.
Alright.
Waiting ako.
Okay, so may I ask everyone to have a drink on their hands kasi magto-toast po tayo.
Bawal ako
May
uminom.
drinks pa ba dyan? Magto-toast tayo guys ha.
Babe, coke lang sa'yo. Coke lang sa'yo.
Guys, ayan. Ayan. Mingwaju, Iceman, ayan, mag-toast tayo. Alright, so thank you, Yuji, for that wonderful prayer. Although nag-lag ka, we,
Yes.
it's in our hearts naman, guys. We are thankful. We are thankful sa Panginoon na we have here today again.
Super lang talaga.
Oo, sige, okay lang yan. Sige, so ngayon, mag-welcome toast tayo, guys. Sige, cheers tayo, guys. Toast, everyone, toast. Alright, let's have a toast, everyone. Okay, Lions Pride family and dear friends, may I ask everyone to please raise your glasses? Ayan, ang ganda sa video. Ayan, tonight we are not only celebrating life, but also the bond that keeps us together as one pride. We honor our four special people, our founder GM, Head Admiral Jules, Vice Captain Ming Wonju, and our Iceman, who each play a unique and meaningful role in our family. Ayan. So to Kuya JM, thank you for planting the seed of this family we now call home. Pasensya na, ingay ng tricycle, no? To Jules, for your wisdom and guidance that keep us strong. To Ming Wonju for the energy and love you bring into our circle. Cheers! And to Iceman for being the steady strength we can always rely on. May this year bring you happiness, success, good health, and more beautiful memories with all of us. So here's to life, friendship, and family. And most of all, here's to our birthday celebrants. Cheers! Alright, kanta tayo guys. Pwede pa humingi ng request ng birthday song? Pwede kaya yun? To lead the birthday songs, can I request from Miss Sign, one of the greatest singers na talagang ina-adore, ina-idolize ni Kuya JM. Na si Kuya JM ay talagang na-in-love sa boses
Oh
na
my
to. So
God.
everyone, ayan, off mic muna tayo. Birthday song yan. Birthday song from Miss Sign. Ayan, palakpakan tayo.
OMG, hello, it's my pleasure to come here. Honestly, nakita ko lang talaga sa labas kaya ako pumasok dito. May gulat. Anyways, happy birthday to you, Iceman. Do you want me to sing a happy birthday or do you want me to play a happy birthday song? Which one? Which one you like? Oh, small event lang siya. So, gusto mo ba acapella ko na lang? Yung birthday? Gusto mo acapella na lang? Okay, sige, acapella. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayun, yun yung acapella birthday. Pero kung gusto mo din naman ng music, this is it. Happy birthday once again.
DJ Tatang
Miss Sai. Thank you very much. All right. So, let's proceed. Okay, so wait, may i-announce lang ako. So it's also the birthday of Foreman. Can I call on Foreman dito po sa stage? So that's the reason why. Kasi guys, dito sa family natin, lahat po ng family members, we ask for you to fill up the form. And the form includes asking your birthday. So, chinek ko kung bakit hindi ko na-include si Foreman sa list ng August celebrants. It's because hindi siya nag-fill up. So basically, wala kang record sa amin. So that's the reason why. So Foreman, huwag ka magtatampo. Ha? Asa na si Foreman? Foreman, dito ka. Dito ka. Ayan, so hindi ka nag-fill up ng form kaya wala kang record sa amin. Foreman, come here. Sabi mo August, lahat ng August celebrants. August ka ba? August ka? Come. We are celebrating August. Ay, hindi ba? Bakit sino naman nag-chismis na August si Foreman? Ay, nako. Ayoko na maniwala sa chismis. Laging mali-mali ang mga information nyo. Sino nag-chat sa akin na August daw si Foreman? Ay. Alright. Sino na gusto mag-games at sino na gusto manalo ng limpak-limpak na dayas? Itaas ang kamay. Itaas ang kamay. At iwagayway, sino gustong sumali sa games ng Bring Me? Bring Me, sino gustong sumali sa games na Bring Me? Itaas ang kamay. Sino na ang ready mag-Bring Me? Itaas ang kamay. At iwagayway. Ready na ba kayo? Okay, ang mechanics sa akin dito sa stage, i-bring me. At kailangan, bawal po dalhin ang sarili. Kailangan po ibang tao ang magdadala sa inyo. Okay, at kailangan naka-holding hands. Pag bring me ng jowa, sorry, oo, kasama yon yung bring me your jowa. Sorry. Ganun talaga ang life. Sa iba ka na lang bumawi. Ha? Alright. O yan, pwede rin, Brit. Sige, tingnan natin, ha? Alright, yung ating, si Heso, ang ating sponsor dito, charot. Alright, so ready na kayo? Naririnig ako, guys? Okay, number 1. Alright, bring me your ex. Bring me your ex. Nako, ex, bring me your ex. Nako. Bring me your ex. Dalhin nyo sa akin, ha? Dito. Bring me your ex. Bring me your ex.
Grabe naman yun, ate. Wala naman dito. Wala naman ako nandito.
Aba?
Ex.
Wala ex, walang jowa, wala pang ex. Nako, kawawa naman si Sign. Walang ganon, walang ex. Walang mag-ex dito.
Ano si Badlock ex ko na to? Break muna, mamaya na tayo balik.
Magtatampo yung ex, tapos di sinuyo. Aray ko. Oh, ex mo
Oy,
ba yan?
ko.
Nagyak.
Ex ba yan, we? Maniwala ako sa inyo. Gusto mo lang ng donut. Joke lang. Okay, wala. Actually, joke lang yun. O, sige, eto na. Bring me your crush. Bring me your crush. Bibigyan nyo sa akin your crush. Bring me your crush. Ilalapit nyo sa akin. Ilalapit nyo yan sa akin, ha? Bring me your crush.
Crush ko to. Uy, ako nanalo. Crush ko to.
Si Badlock. Okay. Sige. Sandali. Mag-aalis. Ibigay na agad ang ano. Sige, medyo ano tayo, ha? Low budget tayo, ha? Kasi marami tayong pagbibigyan ngayon. Okay, donut. Pero marami tayong bring me, ha? Okay, next tayo. Bring someone with 3-colored hair. Bring someone with 3-colored hair.
Tatlo.
Sino ang tatlong kulay yung buhok dyan? Sila
Ayun o, si Foreman. Ano, dalawa lang yung kulay ng hair ko.
Tatlong kulay yung buhok.
Si Foreman. Ayun o, si Foreman.
Bring me 3-colored hair. Everyone
Foreman yan eh.
everyone is welcome to join ha. Mahirap ba?
Foreman, di ko
Bring me,
makita.
ayan nasa entrance. Three
Foreman.
colored hair yan. Gray, white, at pink. Ito si Foreman. Dinala ni Kevin. Alright,
Foreman.
sige. Okay, nanalo si
Foreman.
Kevin ng donut.
Sino?
Wow, ang daming
Lag ka, babe,
sponsor
lag.
ha. Thank you so much, Kuya Kevin, for joining. Next tayo, bring someone with a tail. Yung may buntot. Bring someone with a tail. Aba, next, parehas may buntot. Ang bilis nyo ah. Sino ang nagdala sa
Johnny.
nagdala? Sino ang nagdala? Isa lang ang bibigyan ko. Si Johnny ba? Si Johnny ang nagdadala, no? Okay.
Mr. Johnny.
Pero kay Ayaka na lang yung gift, tama ba? Ikaw ang nagdala,
Ano
pero
yan?
kay Ayaka na lang yung gift, tama ba? Kanino ibibigay?
Hindi,
Okay.
hindi,
Kay
hindi.
Ayaka daw, kay Ayaka.
Kaya kay Johnny.
Okay. Next tayo.
Tuturuan pa eh.
Atras kayo ha. Bring someone with a bag. May bag. Kahit anong bag.
Ito, dala ko niyan.
Ay!
Dala ko niyan.
Sino una?
Nuuna ko. Nuuna ko. Nuuna talaga si Ann.
Ha? Si Ann ba?
Oo.
Tigi-tigisang donut ka na tong anim na to. Bigyan nyo na tong tatlong to. Parang sabay-sabay dumating sa harapan ko eh. Dali. Dali ah.
Si Ann.
Si Kuya Kevin, nasaan? Kuya Kevin, ba't umalis? Ba't umalis si Kuya Kevin? Yung anim kanina, yung anim.
Bring me underwear.
Sandali.
Ba't wala sa amin?
Okay na ba, si Andrea? Okay, atras muna guys ha. Atras muna. Okay,
Dami nabigay kay
atras
Andrea.
muna. Naririnig naman ako, no? Okay na, atras muna.
Competitive yung partner ko. Grabe ba?
Okay, atras muna guys ha. Okay, bring me someone with a level 40 plus. Level 40 plus. Ihanapin nyo na yan. Level 40 plus. Meron
Lag
ba?
kasi
Kanina
ako.
may
Sa
bisita
akin.
tayong 40 plus. Level 40 plus. 40 and above. Actually, nag-iisa lang pala. Sign lang. Okay, nanalo si Andrea. Tsaka bigyan na rin natin to si Sign. Siya lang yung laging dinadala, no?
Wait, ito muna. Manalo tayo pang
Siya
for the, for the wedding.
pampain. Okay. Next tayo, guys. Okay. Bring me someone wearing color orange. Meron ba? May naka-color orange ba
Wala
tayo,
talaga.
guys? Orange. Wala? Wala, no? Alright, sige. Okay. Bring me your mom or your dad. Bring me your mom or your dad. Any parents?
Wala
Any
sa akin.
parent. Bring me your mom or your dad. Walang magpapanggap na anak mo yan ngayon. Biglang naging anak mo na yan.
Kung lalapit sa akin, hindi pa ako ina, ah. See?
Oy.
Lalapit sa akin, hindi pa ako ina. Oo.
Daddy mo yan, Dris? Kevin, sure ba yan? Kevin, sure ba yan? O sige, oy, nauna si Riz at saka si Kevin. Mag-ano ba kayo, Yuji? Asan si Riz? Bakit nawala si Riz? Ay, nauna si Riz. Okay, ang nanalo si Riz. Alright. Sige, o, alis mo na. Ang lapit nyo sa akin, ha? Ang lapit nyo. Bring me someone wearing a flip-flop or a chinelas. Nako, si Founder. Si Founder na chinelas. Bring me someone with a flip-flops. Kailangan naka-hold hands yan, ha?
AFK yung nakachinelas.
Ha? Someone na naka-chinelas. Flip-flops.
AFK yung nakachinelas.
Wala na.
Sino kaya i-accept nito? Wala. Oh, ano to? Sige. Bring me someone wearing a shades. Bring me someone wearing a shades. Shades ha, hindi eyeglasses ha. Bring me someone wearing a shades. Ay, okay. Nauna si Ayaka. Ang bilis ha. Si Foreman, hindi nyo nakita.
Dito rin dito.
Alright, si Ayaka na una. Okay, next tayo. Atras kayo. Lalayo nga ako. Bring me the most beautiful avatar. Bring me the most beautiful avatar. Hold hands. Bring me the most beautiful avatar. Babae.
Ako na to. Hindi,
Okay,
charot.
si Laika. So, balik si Kevin ang nanalo. Okay. Okay.
Basta lang may cut.
Sige. Bring me the most handsome avatar. Bring me the most handsome avatar. Bring me the most handsome avatar. Lalayo ako ha. The most handsome avatar. Aba.
Ako yan.
Ito ba talaga pinaka-handsome? Sige na nga.
Ako.
O sige. Wala, nauna na to. Actually, dali na sa inyo guys. Kailangan may magdadala sa inyo. Last na to. Bring me someone na magkikis sa harapan ko. Sa harapan ng madlang people, magkikis dito. Bring me for balloons of love ko. Para sa balloons of love, magkikis. Sa harapan ko, magkikis sa harapan ko dito sa gitna. Magkikis. Lapit na dito. Magkikis kailangan. Asan na yung magkakopol dyan? Bakit
Dito ako, present.
Seryoso ba to? Magkikis kayo talaga? Para sa balloons of love? Seryoso? Asan na? Magkikis harap. Tinapon ako ni We Life.